let's go through all the parts that I got for it. So first we got the graphics card, 3070. It's an old one. All this other stuff is new I bought. I've had this for a while, so it's 3070. We got the SSD, simple, 1 terabyte. Got the DDR4, Vengeance Pro, R9, the 5900. Then I of course went with the NZXT kind of build here, all three matching here. So we got the 850 watt power supply, the B550 motherboard. Now it shows a white picture, but it's actually black. You can see it's got the little label, it's black, so it's gonna be black. AIO, we got the fans here. The fans, I need more. These fans are temporary. The problem is with, if I get more of these fans, which is what I want, I put them on the bottom, they'll have to go upside down, and so you won't see the RGBs. I haven't figured out what to do on that part yet, so for now, I just kept these fans. These are the fans that came with the case. That's what we got. And that's all the pieces there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything out the box and then start getting it put together. Okay, I'm back. So this is what it's looking like so far. I got the motherboard now in the case. Honestly, I'm really liking the way that motherboard looks. These little panels come off, they're like magnetic. It's pretty cool, I like it. It keeps everything real clean. Yeah, just real clean, it's magnet, snaps right in. So yeah, that's what we got so far. Yeah, I think it looks really cool. Really cool. That's a whole mess of wires right there. And these, this is for all the fans. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah. So now I just gotta do the AIO, and I'm not really sure if I want it at the top up here or if I want it back there on the side. So I want it up here, but it's gonna stick down, like the radiator will be here and then the fans will be here. So it's gonna end up blocking like a chunk of the top portion of that fan, like the RGBs. Like the fan will be like where my thumb is. So you're only gonna see like, you know, a little bit of that top fan's gonna be missing. Not a big deal, but I mean, I don't like that. So I may end up putting it here. So yeah, that's what I gotta do. I gotta decide where to put that at. Keep in mind, these fans are temporary. They're just, and also didn't mention that I may be doing a vertical GPU. I still haven't decided. It all depends on what I'm doing with these fans. Yeah, I got the AIO installed up at the top here. It does block a little bit of the fan, like I was afraid of, but it's not too bad. I got 6 new fans here to match that, which is this one here. And then I got a duo fan right there, which is this one. This one doesn't daisy chain, so that's kind of a, you know, a downside, I guess. But other than that, it works good. And then I did end up going with a vertical mount, so that's why these 3 here, I went ahead and just kept them upside down instead of getting the duo. Just because the GPU I'm putting in there, I mean, it's pretty big and it's gonna cover all of this, so really wasn't no point in doing that. So yeah, we didn't do that. And so that's pretty much it. I've already hooked it up and tested it out, so everything works and everything. Now all I gotta do is the cables in the back, which is all of them. So I just gotta get all that managed and get the power supply in there, and then put the GPU back in. Okay, I got the graphics card installed. I got the power supply installed in. We got all the cables managed. So this is the completed build here. I really like how it turned out, but let me know in the comments below what y'all think. And let's go ahead and power this on.